Hello guys, good morning. So far I made 5 Vibrant Black series paintings. They are stunning, so let me show you them a bit better. They are dry right now and you see they are matte, but I will varnish them with gloss varnish and I need to wait for 2 or 3 weeks so they are fully dry. But with this matte look, they look stunning too. And I feel like I'm missing the corners right now, so the 6th one, yeah, I'm gonna do a blue one, like the second one, so the one that's in the middle here. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the base of black is already on the canvas. Let me pop the air bubbles. And you know what? I will only use my winter blue in this with some white because that gives such a beautiful gradient. Let me start with gold. And some Prussian, or no, not Prussian blue, winter blue. And in this I will do a bit white. Copper. And bronze. Okay, drop. And a bit more blue. I clearly don't have a plan. Black around this. Okay, blowing the black over the colors. So let's see if something will pop up. It will. A lot of blue. We only see blue here now. Let's blow it out. Okay. Yeah, that's so fun that it's creating a bit of purple. Yeah, this is stunning. I really know this will give a lot of cells probably. Yeah. Wow. This one is even better than the other. Than the other blue one. This composition is so cool and I love the cells in the middle. Yeah. Gorgeous. I'm on a roll here, guys. Really. I'm gonna do a very big one when I'm finished with the 9-piece. Yeah, this is gorgeous. Well, okay, yeah, I'm not gonna do anything about this anymore, so let me give you a close-up. And these cells, I love when the cells are sort of in the middle, that it makes the composition. It really does here. There's a nice flow to it, doesn't it? Yeah, perfect one. Alright guys, so remember I'm uploading every day a new video of this series. So I hope to see you tomorrow for the 7th one. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. And I'll see you then.